Hi, I am making this video for any of you who are intimidated by the concept of having to set up a password and log into a website. I know that that really trips a lot of people up. So anyway, I hope this will help. I'm a bit of a Luddite myself, so maybe I'll be of limited help, but I'm going to try. So I am in my inbox right now for my sample student account. And my sample student has received an email from Melissa McMahon Music Studio that says website login information, and I'm going to click on that email. Now inside this email it tells me here's the information I need to access the student portal. Use the link below to set up the password. So see this link that says password setup link? I'm going to click that and it should take me to where I'm going to set up my password. So type in whatever you want your password to be. Then where it says confirm password, you type in the exact same thing again and you click update password. And then it just prompts you to click here to log in. That means if you click on that, then theoretically, if you use your email address and the same password that you just made up, then click sign in, that it should take you inside the student portal. And then it will show you your attendance. This practice log we're not going to use, at least for now, so don't worry about it. There are lots of features um, in this software that maybe we'll use someday, but right now we're really only worried about the schedule. So notice that inside the portal, you can see all of your upcoming lessons and you will be able to reschedule your lessons from inside here. I'm not going to include that on this video because this is the first time I'm seeing it myself. But I'll make another video for that once I figure out how to do it. Bye.